Hi students, now we going to discuss about chapter 2 whole numbers. Then exercise 2.2. Last class we discussed exercise 2.2 first Roman we discussed. Today we going to discuss about second Roman. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. See 2 into 1768 into 50. Any way order you can arrange it and find out the product. That's only. So that's why here I going to combine the 2 and 50. 2 into 50 into 1760. Why I combined that means 2 into 50 because how much 100 is there. 100 into 1760 is easy. Otherwise what you want to do, 2 is multiplied with this number, that answer is multiplied with 50. So easy way this 2 and 50 multiply time 100, we know that answer directly multiply with 1000. Easy way that. So any number multiply with 100, what is the answer? Same number, right? And 100 containing how many zeros? 2 zeros. So that's why our answer become how much? 1,76,800 is the answer. Easy way we can multiply. Otherwise in these three numbers right hand multiplication doing. Then secondly question here also. 4 also we want to multiply with 166. That answer is multiplied with 25. So many times we are taking that. That's why easy way 4 and 25 we take it togetherly. That's why they are telling suitable rearrangement. Then into 160. Why I take like that? 4 into 25 because how much? 100 is the answer. Into 106 multiply and easy to multiply and getting the answer. Any number multiply with 100 means same number, right? 100 carrying 2 zeros. That's why that 2 zeros right on the right side of the answer. In this way this question answer. I hope you can understand. Then one more question also do this one. One more question. See question. 8 into 2, 191 into 125. One more question. Here also. Otherwise 8 is multiplied with 291. That answer is multiplied with 125. Answer correct answer only getting, but so much time we are taking. For avoiding that purpose, what we want to do 8 and 125 take together into 291. 8 into 125 comes to be how much? 1000 is the answer. 125 into 8 to become 1000. 1000 is multiplied with 291 means any number multiply with 1000 means what is the answer? Same number, right? 1000 carry how many zeros? 3 zeros. So directly easy to getting that answer. So we can read that answer as how to read that answer? 2,91,000 is the answer. This is the one way they ask a second Roman like this. Find the product. Anyway we can find the product, but easy way they ask to find out. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next third Roman. Third Roman also like this. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Find the value. They ask to find out the values. First question 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. A question they ask like this. Here see, here which number is common? Here how many terms are there? Terms means they are separated with plus sign or minus sign. Then we how to identify terms means they are separated with plus or minus sign. See here this part after plus sign. That's why we can say this is our first term. This is our second term. In first and second term, which number is common there? 297. Common number, take common outside. Then remaining numbers, bracket to put and keep inside the bracket. Here first term, which number remaining? 17 is remaining. Here which operation? A plus operation. Here 297 take out. So remaining which number is there? 3. So easy calculation. 297. Here into is the bracket before we read it as a into. Into 17 plus 3 comes to be how much? 20. Then multiplication. Do how to multiply? 297 is easy way is multiply with the 2, then answer place this 0, you can do that is easy. 2 nines are how much? 14. 2 nines are how much? 18. 18 is added with 1 and 19. 9 cut and write it. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 comes to be how much? 5. So 594 not 2 only our multiplier is 0 is there, that's why we can write in answer place that 0. 20 write a multiply, no problem, just easy method I saying it, just the numbers take a multiply, finally answer write in time put 0 there. Yeah, I hope you can understand what I say here. Then next this is the answer for a first question. B question that tells that 5,400 and 5,5729 into 92 plus 8 into 54279, like this way they given us a 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279, like this way they given the question. Here also first you check it. How many terms are there? In this question also 2 terms are there. Which are they? This is a first term, this is a second term. They are separated with a plus or minus. They are a separation. Terms are separated with plus or minus. Here they separated with a plus sign. Then next in first and second term which number is common there? 54,279 is common. That number take outside. Remaining number keep inside the bracket. From first term which number is remaining there? 92. Then here which operation? Plus operation. Here which number remaining there? In second term 8 is remaining there. That one keep inside the bracket. Again calculation. 54,279 is multiply bracket before we read the operation as a multiplication operation. 92 plus 8 comes to be how much? 100. Any number multiply with 100. How we can write the same number right and put a 0. So we can write it as in this way. We can write the same number right and put a 2 zeros. Why? Because 100 carrying a 2 zeros. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next one more question. One more question at this model, third Roman, one more question that tells about C question. 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. In this way next question they given. So here how to calculate this, otherwise all these numbers we want to multiply and add as time we are wasting only. So easy way how to multiply means this here the how many terms are the 2 term, first term second term. Here see second term we can write it as a 25, we can split as a 5 into 5. So 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25, we can write it as 5 into 5. 5 into 5 how much? 25. Just to be split and writing. Then see 769 is multiplied with 5, which how much answer come in this answer getting the 3,845. So next step we can write it as a first part how no change. Once again we repeat that number. Instead of this part this number multiply in time, what answer we get? 3845 will coming, and then next one 5 is there and 218 is there. Then here also 2 terms are there. Both 2 terms, which numbers are common there? 3,845 into 5 is here also that same number is the common number, take outside. So 3845 into 5 is common number, they take outside. Then 182 is added with 200 and here remaining number is 182 in the first term. In second term 218 is remaining in the second. That 2 numbers taken. Then inside bracket adding how much? 782 plus 218 comes to be how much? 1000. So that answer is multiply with this. So how much is that? This answer 3845 is multiply with 5. See, 5 5s are how much? 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 5 8s are how much? 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Remainder adding 10. 5 3s are how much? 15. 15 plus 4 comes to be how much? 19 they're coming. So we get the answer as 19225. That means 19,225 into this part adding a how much, getting 1,000. And then any number multiply with 1,000. What is the answer? Same number, right? And put how many zeros? 1,000 carry how many zeros? 3 zeros. So answer become in this way. So I hope you can understand. So how to read this number? 1 lakh 1 crore 92 lakh 25,000 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. This is our third Roman. That tells like this. Next we go through fourth Roman. Fourth Roman that tells about in fourth Roman that tells about Fourth Roman that tells about find the product. Here also multiplication, do find the product using suitable product using suitable property. They are asking using suitable property, find out the answer. First question they given us 738 into 103 is the first question. Last class we discussed about distributive property. Last class we are discussing the distributive property of a multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over a subtraction case. Last class we discussed that property. Here we are going to apply. How to apply means say 138 into 103. How we can split and write 103 and 100 we can split as 100 plus 3. Any mistake is there? 100 plus 3 because how much? 103 is the answer. So we split it. Then here we apply distributive property says the outside number is multiplied to first inside number. Again outside number is multiplied to inside a second number. That property here. Which property here we apply? Distributive property. We are applying under addition case. We are applying there into first number is 100. Then here which operation? Plus. Again 738 is multiplied with the second number, which is our second number. 3 is our second. Multiply any number multiplied with 100. What is the answer? Same number. Right hand put 2 zeros. Then this part 738 is multiplied with 3. 3 8s are how much? 24. 4 cut and write. 3 3s are how much? 9 plus 2 comes to be 11. 1 cut and write here. 3 7s are how much? 21. 21 and remainder 1 adding time and 22. So this part to become 2214. Both are adding time. How much getting? 7,000. 73,800 is added with which number? 2,214. Add this number. Adding time here how much coming? 76,014 is the answer. In this way we want to apply which property here? Applying a distributive property. Distributive property under addition case. Here see under addition case we applied there. I hope you can understand this question. Then B question, one more question. 258 into 1008. 258 into 1008. Next B question. So how we can do here? Here also distributive property apply. How to apply 1008? How to split 1000 plus 8? 1000 plus 8 because how much? 1008. That's why 1008 we can split as 1000 plus 8. Here also distributive property, applying the distributive property applying. So outside number 258 is multiplied with 1000. plus 258 is multiplied with inside second number 8. Multiplication do any number multiply with 1000. What is the answer? Same number, right? And 1000 carry how many zeros? 3 zeros. That 3 zeros right on the right side of the answer, please. The next 258 is multiplied with the second term. 258 is multiplied with 8. 8 8s are how much? 64. 4 cut and 8 5s are how much? 40. 40 is added with the remainder 6. 46. 6 cut and right. 2 8 8 2s are how much? 16. 16 plus 4 comes to be how much remainder for adding time? 20. So final answer become 2. Here 2064. Both these two numbers are adding. Which are the two numbers? Here 2,58,000 is added with 2064. So adding time 4, 6, 0, 10, 6, 2. So answer become how much? Answer become 260064 is our final answer. I hope you can understand this model. Fourth Roman, find the product using suitable property case. Here which property we apply? Distributive property we are applying there. One word. Next fifth Roman. Fifth Roman, they tell us about one word problem. Word problem they are telling there. What word problem means? A car driver is there. He have a car. One day, that means Monday, he fill his car petrol tank 40 liter petrol. On Monday, he fill his car petrol tank with 40 liter. Then next day, he fill 50 liter petrol. Then cost of 1 liter petrol is how much rupees? Means 44 rupees is the cost of 1 liter petrol. Question asking how much amount he want to pay or how much amount he want to spend this total liter petrol. How much amount he want to spend? That is the question. So how to write this one? Fifth word problem. First word problem case steps we must. So how to start petrol in petrol fill in Monday. First day is Monday. How much petrol fill in Monday is equal to 40 liters petrol. Then second day, that means petrol fill in next day. Which day? Not they mention, they telling next day. How much liter petrol means 50 liter petrol. Next day it filling liters. Then what they ask? So we want to find a total how much liter he fills. So total liter of petrol he fill is equal to what we want to do? 40 plus 50, adding to how much liter petrol? 90. Both these 2 days, how much liter petrol he fill? 90 liter petrol he fill there. Then next, what they given their cost? This given the cost of 1 liter petrol is given. Cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 44. What we want to find out how much amount? That means cost of how many liter petrol he filled in a tank total 90 liter petrol. So 90 liters petrol is equal to what we want to do? 44. 1 liter petrol cost is 44. That is multiplied with 90 liter petrol. Then total amount will get in there. So 44 into 90. 44 into 0 keep there. Later we can keep on right side of the answer. Easy way I tell. Then 9 is multiplied with 4. 9 fours are how much? 36. So 6 cut and 9 3. 9 fours are how much? 36. 36 is added with 3. 39. So final answer how much? Here 3,960 rupees he want to spend for buying this. How much liter petrol? 90 liter petrol. In 2 days how much amount he spent for filling the petrol? 3,960 liter petrol. I hope you can understand this exercise. Thank you.